Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is still life acrylic painting. So we are going to paint beautiful tea lights. Don't forget to subscribe Akansha Arts and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. For this canvas painting, all you need is a canvas of A4 size, 6 shades of acrylic colors, 3 types of brushes, masking tape, some water, and a cloth to clean your brushes. Secure the edges of the canvas using a masking tape. Start with drawing the reference pic on canvas by using a pencil or a charcoal pencil and a ruler as I'm drawing. You can observe the process of drawing. I'm using a freehand method and some approximation by using a scale or using a hand. So basically we have to know what are acrylic paints. Before we dive into how to paint with acrylics, it is important to first discuss what acrylic paint is and how it differs from other media. Acrylic paints are basically pigments suspended in a water-soluble acrylic polymer media that becomes water resistant when dry. The advantages of working with acrylics versus other media types is that they are fast drying, easy to clean up, have low odor and are heavily pigmented, meaning the colors can be very bold and vibrant. Compared to oil paints, which can take a full day or longer to completely dry, acrylic paints dry within minutes. Unlike oils, you can continue to paint over the dried areas and not see any mistakes. Hence, it is very appealing medium for beginners. Some other important factors to know about acrylic paints: they are typically dry a darker hue than the pigment they exhibit when wet. They do not spread like watercolors or gouache. They dry very quickly, which has its perks but can make blending tricky. They are water soluble when wet and they are water resistant when dry, which means that once dry they cannot be altered. The beauty of working with acrylics is that they are relatively inexpensive and easy to work with, but can provide really amazing results in the hands of a creative artist. Coming back to the painting process on canvas, as you can see, I have painted the background black using a flat brush and left the drawing area of candles. After that, I have taken orange and a bit of yellow to fill those orange areas, and the mid-tone color, that is red, and blended it with orange and red to mark all those glass lines and candle lines. For those thin lines, you can use a round brush and carefully mark all the darker zones and orange. Keep patience while drawing and try to keep your hands stable. Now, by using a Brustro Miniature liner brush, I'm just marking all the darkest areas, that is black lines of the glasses and those candle lines. Fill all those left areas of white around the candles. I will add all the acrylic painting ideas on the I button, so do check that out. Try exploring different genres of painting and different medias that will ace up your performance while painting. It's more of a trial and error method. You can't achieve the perfect painting in your first attempt. So don't lose hope and try to make as much as you can to get the best outcome. Try to add all the little details you can observe in the various color changes on the candles, and do add them to have the perfect painting. I hope all the tips and explanation given in this process video are helpful to you in the learning process. More details and links are given in the comment section. Drop your queries and suggestions about this video, and also tell me what you want to see or learn in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Happy painting. Thanks for watching.